Hey there, gamers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to turn your gaming passion into a side hustle, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how you can earn up to $30 per minute playing games on your phone. Yes, you heard that right. We'll discuss the best apps, tips to maximize your earnings, and how to get started today. So, hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. Number 1. Understanding the basics. First things first, let's talk about how this all works. Many companies are willing to pay gamers for testing their games, participating in surveys, or completing in-game tasks. This makes it a win-win situation. You get to play games, and they get valuable feedback or data. Think about it. Game developers need real players to test their products and provide insights on gameplay, bugs, and user experience. That's where you come in. You get to be one of the first people to try out new games, and in return you earn some cash or rewards. Before we get into specifics, it's important to clarify that while some people can earn a lot, $30 per minute is a potential maximum. Many gamers report earnings that can vary greatly, often based on their skill level, the games available, and how much time you put into it. So, while it's possible to earn a good amount, it's essential to keep your expectations realistic. Number 2. Best apps and platforms. Now let's explore the best apps to earn money playing games on your phone. Here are our top picks. Misplay. This app rewards you for trying out new games. You earn points for your time, which can be redeemed for gift cards, including PayPal Cash. Plus, they frequently update their game library, so there's always something new to check out. Lucktastic. A fun scratch card app where you can win cash and rewards. It's completely free to play, and some users have reported winning significant amounts. Just imagine scratching off a card while waiting for your coffee and winning $100. Inbox dollars. While it's not strictly about games, you can earn cash by playing games, taking surveys, and watching videos. They even give you a $5 sign-up bonus. It's a great way to diversify your earning methods while still enjoying games. Swagbucks. Like Inbox dollars, you can earn SB points for playing games and redeem them for PayPal Cash or gift cards. They often have special promotions, so keep an eye out for those to boost your earnings. Bingo Cash. Compete against others in bingo tournaments and win real cash. This one can be quite lucrative if you have a knack for bingo. Plus, it's a social game, so you can play with friends or meet new people online. Each app has its unique features, and I recommend trying a few to see which ones suit your style best. Maybe you prefer casual games, or perhaps you're more competitive. Experimenting with different apps can also keep your gaming experience fresh and exciting. Number 3. Tips to maximize earnings. Next, let's talk about maximizing your earnings. Here are some quick tips. Play consistently. Set aside time daily to check for new games and opportunities. Many apps reward frequent users with bonuses or exclusive access to new games. It's like being part of a VIP club. Refer friends. Most apps offer referral bonuses. Share your referral code to earn extra cash when friends sign up. This can significantly boost your earnings without much extra effort. Keep an eye on bonuses. Look out for daily bonuses and challenges to increase your earnings quickly. Some apps offer extra points for completing specific tasks or logging in daily, so make sure to take advantage of those. Participate in competitions. Some gaming apps hold competitions with cash prizes. Enter these contests to boost your revenue. Not only does it make the gaming experience more thrilling, but you also have a chance to win big. Join gaming communities. Engaging with online communities can provide you with tips and tricks from seasoned gamers. Platforms like Reddit or Discord have dedicated channels where you can learn about the best opportunities and strategies. Number 4. Potential pitfalls. While earning money through gaming sounds great, there are some pitfalls to watch out for. Avoid scams. Always do your research. Stick with well-reviewed apps and beware of those asking for personal information. Check reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or the App Store to ensure the app is legitimate. Limited earning potential. Not every game will make you rich. It's all about having fun while making some extra cash on the side. So, don't expect to replace your full-time job right away. Time investment. Remember, time spent gaming without earning is not productive. Balance your gaming with other responsibilities. Set a timer or schedule specific gaming sessions to avoid losing track of time. In-app purchases. Some apps may tempt you with in-app purchases that can eat into your earnings. Be mindful of spending money on games that may not yield a return. To wrap things up, earning money by playing games on your phone is possible and can even be rewarding if you choose the right apps and approach. Just remember to keep your expectations realistic and balance your gaming with other life commitments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gamers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on making money while having fun. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.